As the winter months approach, it's essential to ensure your heating system is working efficiently. However, many homeowners in Pittsburgh, PA, make common mistakes that can lead to costly repairs and even safety hazards. Delayed maintenance, ignoring warning signs, and hiring unqualified technicians are just a few of the mistakes that can be avoided. By following a practical homeowner checklist and prioritizing repairs, you can avoid increased costs and safety hazards. Learn how to find a qualified HVAC technician and schedule regular maintenance to keep your heating system running smoothly.